Hello there, welcome to our first part lesson on simultaneous linear equations. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to compile table of values for simultaneous linear functions, solve problems involving linear simultaneous equations in two variables graphically. Are you ready? Right, let's begin. Simultaneous linear equations consist of two or more equations with linear variables, one of whose highest power is 1 and represents the same item. For example, the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. If x represents the same thing, which could be a value in both equations, and y represents the same thing in both equations, then both equations refer to the same context. In order to solve the problem, we must find values for the variables that make both statements true. Alright, let's dive into some examples. Solve these simultaneous equations graphically. 2x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 2. The first thing that we need to do is construct a table to find solutions for y and x in both equations, then plot a graph for the equation. To find y values in 2x plus y is equal to 7, we substitute a series of x values into the equation. Let's assume that the values of x are 0, 2, and 7. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus 2 times 0, which is equal to 7. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus 2 times 2, which is equal to 3. And when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 7 minus 2 times 5, which is equal to minus 3. Well, ta-da! We're done compiling a table of values for 2x plus y is equal to 7. Easy, right? Well, let's now find the values of y in x minus y is equal to 2, assuming the values of x are 0, 3, and 5. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 3, y is equals to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. We now have a set of ordered pairs x and y that can be plotted on a Cartesian plane. The graph as seen is a straight line graph. Let's now find where the two lines intersect. Can you see the points? Yes, it's 3 and 1. With this, we have now come to the end of the lesson. Today you learned how to compile a table of values for simultaneous linear functions and solve the equations graphically. See you in the next lesson. Bye.